So some days ago I posted a video on how to clean your DSLR sensor, and I was just using a blower, but if you get some more, let's say, persistent spots that you cannot get rid of with your blower or with a bit of brush and blowing, it takes some time, but sometimes you cannot manage to do it. So the next option is to use a proper sensor cleaner. This is quite delicate, so I would recommend you to do it carefully, and if you're unsure, I would recommend you to just ask to some professional to do it. I use the eyelid cleaning kit. It's basically a gel which has a really nice sticky surface, and well, basically what you do is get into the sensor. This is quite sticky. It will get all the dust that's on the sensor, it will get stuck to the gel, and yeah, your camera will clean. So I'll just leave it half closed. I'll leave a link so you see where you can buy it. Here I have the camera. I want to clean the sensor. It's stuck under the camera. Yep. So it's a Canon 6D. It's the same I was showing the other time. So to change the menu, I just have to go to menu and then just in the different options you have all sorts of options, and you have one that's sensor cleaning. Depending on your camera you will have to find where it is, but it's sensor cleaning, and then you say clean manually, and there it will see that the mirror will lock up, and you have to just turn off the camera. So you just say OK. Then the sensor is open already. Now we just remove the lens, and here you can see the sensor. It's quite a shiny surface. Yeah. So mine is mostly clean, but the main idea is that you take this iPad cleaner and very carefully you just press it into the sensor. The sensor can take quite a lot of pressure, so don't be afraid of pressing it, and just slowly press in, and it will get rid of whatever remain of dust or dirt you have. And that's basically all. Try not to push too hard and try not to touch the edges, because if you touch the edges, the plastic edges, you may get some extra dust in your cleaner. But once you're done with this, you can just close your camera, shut it down, then the mirror is locked again, so you don't see the sensor anymore. Put the lens on and you're ready to go. When this gel gets dirty, you only have to take the white stripes that come with the gel. It's a lot stickier. As you can see, I have quite a lot of dirt already in this one, because it's stickier. And when you stick the cleaner in the sticky side, then all the dirt that was in the gel, it gets actually into the sticky part. And then you can just throw this away, and you have this ready for another cleaning. You don't have to clean the gel every time you clean your sensor. You can do it every now and then. There is no need to do it constantly. And this is it. I use the eyelid. There are other sensor swaps that you can use. If you're not sure if your camera has dust or not, then it probably doesn't have any dust, and you should check if your lens have dust. And remember to check your dust with high f number, f20 or something, and a long exposure, so you will get only some small black dots. And this is it. If you click in the box that will appear somewhere here, you can see how you can clean it only using the blower, which is less invasive. And I would recommend that if you have to go to this kind of more extreme options, then I would recommend to do it carefully, and if you're in doubt, always ask some professional to do it. It can be expensive and it can take some time, but it's safer to take some time than to actually break your camera. So enjoy, and let me know if you have any question. I'm here to help. Thank you.